Hey guys, outside playing around in the snow. Finally we got some, so I'm letting my son drive my Blizzard right now, so nope, go forwards. Here he is. Alright, back up.
Dad, why does tape on the back of it?
Because that's what's holding the body on, bud.
Oh, that's like
You gotta let off the steering, bud. Back up.
Nope, I can't.
Nope, you can't.
I still can't.
No, don't grab it. Okay, don't grab it by the body, bud, because I don't want you to pull the body off. Grab it right here, okay?
Okay.
Spin the tracks a little bit. Get some of the snow out. Turn the wheel. Just hold it one way. Squeeze the throttle. No, turn it the other way, bud. Sorry. Okay, squeeze the throttle. Yeah. Hit it. Wide open. All right. There. Yeah. Oh, back up. No, back up. There you go. Now go forwards. Go forwards. Hit it.
Nope, I can't.
Yeah, it was. Keep going straight. Hammer, there you go. Oh! Nope, go. Just hit it forward. There you go. Forwards. Back up. Now hit it forwards. Give us some. Hey, pay attention to the truck. Don't pay attention to Mom. Hey, Bolton. Can you say Merry Christmas to everybody? Can you say Merry Christmas?
What?
Say Merry Christmas.
Oh.
Why not? You don't want to say Merry Christmas to everyone? I'll say it. Merry Christmas to every one of you guys. Thank you very much for all the views.